through COVID, didn't we? Things like the HPC consortium as an example. When you get different parts of the ecosystem coming together, how can you accelerate the innovation curve better? Obviously coupled with open data sharing, etc. too, but we saw massive results in healthcare. Why can't we apply that to challenges of our time like ESG?
I'd love your thoughts on MWC. It's just come to mind, and I kind of know we've not spoken about this before, right? But MWC, there's a point in question. You know, what is it? Probably the largest expo in Europe, maybe the world, but certainly in Europe, right? 142,000 people. That's a lot of T&E, a lot of carbon emissions coming together on that. I guess they're going to have to start thinking about how they use either the metaverse or how they use other different kind of technology for good to still drive that collaboration. It's a bit difficult because you don't get that touchy-feely bit. You can't kick the tyres, right?
It's trying to get the best of both, isn't it? I think a lot of events are navigating that, and even like space in buildings, as we were talking about earlier as well. It's trying to get using it in the right way. So I think when it's events and also just office space more generally and ways of working and things, it's all about the power of that collective moment, isn't it? And if you can do that to come up with new ideas, bring different voices together, really make the most of that, it's definitely worth it. But other aspects make